What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we are at Staunton State Park, going for a hike. See you on the trail. All right, we made it to Mason Creek, and this is where the suck's gonna happen because I think the first 3 miles it's like this, and 3 miles we're gonna gain 1,200 feet. So look at me, I'm so happy right now. This is awesome. We'll see how long this smile lasts. Got ourselves a deer over here. Wow.
Great hike.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ooh. Holy fuck. Oh. Oh my gosh. That waterfall is freaking awesome. I was not expecting that coming up on that. But yes, and the special guest is Ricky, Stick Ricky or Sticky. But I need to focus because yeah, this is totally gonna suck. I can't help it. Baby steps up the mountain. Baby steps up the suck. Baby steps to the top. Well, they weren't shitting us when they said, oh, by the way, first half is just whoop. We still have 1,000 feet to go. Oh my God. All right. My God. Just keeps going. Hey man. I thought we had to go up that for a second. I was like, nope. A little meadow. Huh? Alrighty. Excuse me. We are about 600 feet elevation gain. Still have another 600 to go. I'm semi-gassed, as expected, huh? All right, we're at about 820 feet. Whew, feel the burn. Really pretty through here, though. I'm enjoying this hike. It's a good one. Seems like the state parks have really good trails around here. All right, well, I think we've just summited 1,000 feet, said, 1,200. It's all trails. They're not very reliable, but I mean, they keep you on trail, which is really good, but for the elevation gain and the length, they're always off. But I will see you further down the trail. Yeah. Oh no. Uh-oh. Move around this way. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. Morning. Even in this economy, that's still $450,000. All right, you guys got me sitting here by some old abandoned stuff. The mill's right over there. Got this old abandoned building. Was historical at one point. Still is. It's just not a lot left. All right, Mr. Bishop, what do you think? You ready for a beer? I think it's beer 30. Today we got Dry Dock Amber Ale. Okay. We'll open this in a second. And let's get her open now. Oh, Amber's a squirter.
Oh, yep. We got some head on this one.
Very tasty. Very tasty. Well, we're going to sit here probably for 5 to 10 minutes. Ooh, that's malty. Yummy. See you guys back on the trail. Oh, going down, down. Sugar, we're going down swinging. Soak up a trail beer. Yeah. Huh? That's okay. It's Dry Dock. Maybe it'll improve it. I don't know what happened to Dry Dock. They just suck. There you go. Part of me wants to just run down this hill, but at the same time, I'm like, I'll biff it.
Oh, yeah.
We already see civilization. Ah, it's a different parking lot. Ha, I made you look, guys. Keep walking, walking, walking. Hell yeah. Well, we'll have to cross Colfax. Well, it said 6.7 miles. We've gone over 7. And I don't see that parking lot yet. It's lying to me. Hello. Go on, horsies. Look at you go. Looks like we made it back to the parking lot. That was so fun. I hurt. I guess I should just shut up now. I'll see you in the next at the next spot. Cheers. Of course, gotta have a post-hike beer. And again, we came back to landlocked ales in Lakewood, Colorado. I got the Fed Res. It is a Mexican lager, 5.5%. Mazel tov. Ooh, yeah. Perfect post-hike beer. Yes. All right, guys, I'm over at Tracy's and visiting her and Patty right now with Josh. I'm going to wrap up this video, but my gosh, what a hike that was. And to finish this video, Prost.
Prost,
I will,
oh my God.
I will see you all in the next hike. Cheers.